Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the subject Value Education, Chapter 6 Chase Your Dreams. Dreams are just dreams until you decide they are going to be something more. Dream chasing is not something everyone is cut out to do. Dream chasing is for those who dare to take a chance to believe that their dream is something more than a thought or possibility. Dreams don't work unless you do. A man without dream is like a bird without wings. Dreams have to be transformed into actions, and that calls for hours of sweat and blood. Everyone has the ability to dream, but not everyone has the willingness to truly chase their dreams. When people are in living their dreams, they often have limited belief systems. Dream chasing is for those who dare to take a chance to believe that their dream is something more than a thought or possibility. You should learn how to develop the mindset that will let you chase your dreams. We all have unique sets of circumstances in our lives that we can use as excuses. But learning to find those workarounds in our life that give us the ability to succeed. It can inspire us to start implementing changes in our lives that need to be made to make our dreams come true. The value you have to get from this chapter is self expression. Self expression is when people show that you are different from everyone else. They may choose to express themselves by how they look, what they say, or by using different types of artistic expression. Self expression is the idea of using your own thoughts and what is appealing to you in order to express how you feel. Self expression allows us to be viewed as individuals instead of identical robots. Types of self expressions. There are several types of self expressions. Some people choose to express themselves through their outward appearance, whether it is the clothing they choose to wear, how they style their hair, or even how they choose to speak. People have an endless variety of ways to express themselves. Self expression should be individually guided. To achieve your dreams, you should have certain qualities in your life, such as hardworking, commitment, ambitious, responsible, patience, willpower, optimistic. You should be optimistic in your actions, in your dealings. Whatever you do, you should have the you should be optimistic in your life. Also, we need self confidence. You should be courageous. Especially, we should have the courageous to face the failings and difficulties. Failure is when you try to make believe you are someone other than who you are. Failure is when you come to believe there aren't any viable alternatives in your life to the way you have been living. Failure is when you don't share your experience with others because you are convinced it is only you who is suffering. Let us keep in mind the example of Thomas Alva Edison. At the time of the invention of the light bulb, he has failed more than 10,000 times, but he still kept trying and finally he got success. When a news reporter asked him, "How does it feel?" by failing 10,000 times and finally got success, then he replied, "I didn't fail 10,000 times, but I found 10,000 ways that won't work." This thought of Thomas Edison has changed the world. It is the most popular thought of Edison. The former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, says, "You have to dream before your dreams can come true." A dream is not that which you see while sleeping, it is something that does not let you sleep. You should not give up and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. Man needs difficulties in life because they are necessary to enjoy success. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow. Excellence happens not by accident, it is a process. Winners are not those who never fail, but those who never quit. There are two rules for a peaceful life. First one is depression in failure should never go to our heart. Second one thing is an ego in success should never go to the brain. Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. To succeed in your mission, you must have single minded devotion to your goal. Thank you.